going on? If you ride a motorcycle and you mount your phone to the motorcycle handlebars, you're probably like me. You was looking for an easier way to get your phone on and off the motorcycle. Well, I've got a solution here for you that you might like. You may not like it, I don't know. I'm going to show you. This is quad lock, and it's pretty easy. You can just do it one hand, turn it, pop your phone off. I know a lot of y'all use the RAM mounts. This is what I was using before. These two things here, it wouldn't even hold the phone. You'd have to put the rubber band things around it. Real pain in the ass to get the phone on and off. Miss a lot of photo opportunities because of it. Go into a store somewhere, you dreaded taking it on and off because of the rubber band feature. I mean, it worked for a couple years, and a buddy of mine, he had a RAM mount which worked out pretty well, but still had the rubber band around it, but he said he didn't need to have it. But I found this other solution, quad lock. You gotta buy the case with it. This is a durable case, really hard plastic. The buttons on the side work really well with it. It's thin, fit in your pocket really good, and I'll try to do this. Probably won't be able to do it with one hand, but I'll show you how it works. Pretty simple. You just twist it. You can feel it lock. That phone's not going nowhere. It's on there tight, and the mount is really secure. I've got it sitting over here where I can see my GPS or whatever I'm using. Usually I use the GPS mostly on the phones because I take a lot of long distance rides. You just push on that down and it comes right off. Locks right in place. And you know, you see something you want to take a photo of, pop that off, and you're taking your photo. You're not missing any opportunities. And it's great. It's secure. That phone's not going anywhere. Just pop it off. I also wanted to show you that quad lock. I have a belt clip also I bought. I used to have a real bulky case that I would carry to put my phone on. Too fat to put a phone in my pocket, so I'm always afraid I'm going to set on it or crush it or something like that. So I bought this clip on here also. Took a little practice, but once I got used to doing it, it worked out pretty well. Also a screen protector, because of the screen being out. I bought this cell helmet. It's like a liquid glass is what it is, and you just kind of put it on there, and it's real easy to put on, and you wipe it off and it cures for 24 hours, and then you just buff it, and it's just like the glass. It's just like the glass that's on there, except you can't even see it, notice it. I had some other screen protectors on there that I paid like $29 for. It really pissed me off. They were supposed to have been carbon fiber. I don't know the name of the company. Anyway, if you ever see anything with carbon fiber, don't believe it. It has a protector on it. Try this liquid glass cell helmet, and I think you'd be pretty happy with that, and it'll protect your phone. And Today I'm going to show you how to install it on a Ryker. And here's what you get in your package. The mount, you get 3 handlebar, smallest, medium, or the largest, and use this fitting, the 7/8 122.2 millimeter one. At first I thought it was going to be too tight. I got it on there. I didn't think that would work. On my other mount I cut a little rubber piece off like that and I put it in that other size and it was loose. So I tried putting this one back on again. This one's really tight to get it started. If you can get it around, you can get to the screw like in that angle right there. The screw is short. It's short. This screw is really short, so it's hard to get it to go in, but once you get it started, you got to pull it to as hard as you can, and you got to push down as hard as you can to get it started. Once you get it started, you can tighten it up and it'll be really tight. I had it on the bottom here when I first started and I couldn't get it to go in. That screw is so small. You just want to get it as tight as you can, because you don't want this to be loose on your handlebars. I was really aggravated. I thought I didn't have anything that fit the handlebars on here, but this does. It's just hard to get that screw in there to get it started. I even had these vice, trying to get those to clamp onto that to pull it to, or I can get the screw on there. I just had to get it angled right to get it started. But once you get it started, you can get the screw to go in. I'm going to get it really tight. You want to tighten everything down once you get everything the way you want it. Tighten that one down too. There's little like grooves in there. You can move this anywhere you want it. I think I'm actually going to move it to the side. See how that works. I don't want to have too much up here on the front here. It'd be hard to see the instruments. I don't know why, but that Allen wrench that came with it didn't want to turn that, so I went and got one of my own. You just like turn that the way you want it. If you want it to the side there, tighten it back down. I don't know why they didn't make that nut there a little bit longer. Didn't have that problem when I put it on the Harley. Alright. You can move this any way you want. see. What do you think about that? I might bring it down a little bit more. It could be angled down that way, but that's basically about the way it works. Pretty simple. Worst part is you get the tightest fitting they have in that box to go on there, and just getting that screw there started, because that screw being so short. Once you get it in there, get it going, it's on there pretty tight. You're not going to move it. That other way, when I cut that one piece off the old mount that I had, it was slipping. I was really starting to get pissed off then. Then I started, because I had it this angle, I thought, well, I'm going to try it again. But that's basically about it, guys. If you like what you see, all the quad lock stuff's down at the bottom of the video, and please like and subscribe or dislike, whatever you want to do, and appreciate you watching. Later.